How to Steal $1.5 billion starring Sergey Mavrodi, based on a true story. And hey, don't try this at home, obviously. Step 1. Start a legit business. You're Sergey, a nerdy mathematician with a taste for capitalism. Post-Soviet Russia, everyone's broke, confused, and wants microwaves. So what do? Start importing computers, printers, scanners, all the hot stuff. You slap a logo on your company, MMM. Sounds fancy, doesn't it? The company booms, but you're not in it for boring tech money. You want national domination. Step 2. Spot the real opportunity. You realize something incredible. No one in Russia understands how money works anymore. Banks are collapsing. Rubles are worth toilet paper. People are hungry for a financial savior. And guess what? You look pretty good on TV. Step 3. From Tech Bro to Ponzi Pro. You re-register MMM as a joint stock company. You print shares, but not real shares. Just colorful, decorative paper. No regulations, no oversight. You start selling these to the masses with one message. Buy now, get rich tomorrow. Returns? 1,000%, 2,000%, 3,000%. No business model, just vibes. Step 4. Weaponize advertising like it's Call of Duty. Now you need trust, so you launch a full-scale media invasion. MMM ads are everywhere. Buy up 25% of Russian TV airtime. Posters everywhere, radio, newspapers. Even babushkas start chanting MMM. Your face is on screens more than the president. You even pay for free subway rides for the public. People even start thinking that MMM is the government. Step 5. Create the illusion of success. The fake shares, they're booming. Every day they're worth more than yesterday. You control the price, so of course they are. Pensioners, workers, students, grandmas, everyone dumps their savings into MMM. Why? Because they see others doing it. Because it's growing. Because you told them it is. You are now officially Russia's favorite con artist in a suit. Step 6. Turn public worship into political power. You fly too close to the sun, the government starts noticing. They arrest you. Game over? Nah. From jail you announce, I'm running for parliament. And the people, your people, vote you in. Because they still believe. They think if you get out, the money comes back. You win the election. You get immunity. Now you're not just a scammer. You're a scammer with state protection. Step 7. Restart the cycle. Because why not? Out of jail, you drop the share price. Tell everyone, get in now, it'll be 100 times soon. People buy even more. Except this time, the magic doesn't come back. Payments stop, the pyramid collapses. 15 million people lose everything. You stole approximately $1.5 billion. To put it in perspective, that's approximately 6,000 Lamborghini Huracans. Step 8. The escape plan. Just don't leave. Interpol looks everywhere. Europe, Scandinavia, Greece. Plot twist. You never left Moscow. You're literally hiding in the apartment next door to your own house. Iconic. During hiding, you launch online pyramid schemes. You scam 300,000 Americans and Canadians using the same blueprint. New face, same lie. This is the part where you stop. You obviously can afford to retire and the feds haven't found you. Cash out now, before it's too late. No? Are you sure? Step 9. Get busted with style. Eventually, someone in your circle rats you out. Police raid dozens of locations. They find 18 trucks filled with cash. It's cartoon-level absurd. But the Russian government? They seize the money. Return it to the victims? Of course not. And what about justice? You go to prison. 4.5 years. And that's it. Step 10. The price tag. You get out of jail, still wearing the con man cape. Try reviving MMM in other countries. Nigeria, India, South Africa. Same scam, different audience. But you're not the same myth anymore. The world has moved on. In 2018, you collapsed at a bus stop from a heart attack. No fanfare, no fortune, no golden statue. Just a bankrupt legacy and 15 million broken lives. Sergey Mavrodi didn't just steal money, he stole trust. In a broken system, he sold hope wrapped in lies, and millions believed him. His story is a reminder of how easily desperation can be exploited, and how one man can bring a country to its knees without ever firing a shot.